You don't need more time. You need a better system. Because if your calendar's running you, you're already losing the game.
Ever feel like your day slips through your fingers? You sit down with good intentions, but by noon, you're overwhelmed, distracted, and wondering where all the time went. You're not lazy, you're unstructured, and time blocking might be the simplest, most effective fix. In this video, we'll break down what time blocking is, how it works, and why it's backed by real psychological science to help you stay focused, feel accomplished, and finally take control of your day.
Time blocking is the practice of dividing your day into defined blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or type of activity. Unlike a to-do list that tells you what to do, time blocking tells you when to do it. When your brain has clarity about when and what to focus on, it reduces cognitive fatigue and decision paralysis. Your brain is not built for multitasking.
Frequent task switching can lower your IQ by up to 15 points. Time blocking fixes this by encouraging what psychologists call contextual alignment. This enables you to enter what's known as the flow state, where your best work happens.
Completing a block gives you a natural hit of dopamine, reinforcing the behavior and motivating future focus.
Make a list of your highest priority activities.
Most people underestimate how long tasks take. Assign blocks to each task.
Each block should have one clear purpose. Add 15 to 30-minute buffer blocks between sessions to rest, reset, and deal with the unexpected. Treat time blocks like appointments. They're non-negotiable.
It's about progress, not perfection.
Time blockers experience up to 2x more task completion.
A 25 to 30% increase in deep work hours, and significantly lower levels of anxiety related to productivity.
Leave space for life to happen. Match hard tasks with high-energy hours.
Flexibility is key. Start small. Block just 3 to 4 hours a day for your most important tasks.
Every week, review what worked and what didn't.
The more you use time blocking, the better you'll get at it.
Time is your most valuable currency.
Don't let your day happen to you. Design it.
If that helped, hit like and subscribe, and start blocking your time today.